guys here, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're kind of just going to be doing a forced glow up. And by forced I mean, like, listen, as you could probably tell if you you probably didn't know, but I didn't post either of my two videos last week just because I've been in just a really bad mental space. So I couldn't just sit down and film or whatever. I actually tried and I literally started having an anxiety attack. So yeah, but in today's video I'm feeling a little bit better. As you can tell, I'm more high energy and stuff like that. So I'm just going to be forcing myself to glow up because, you know, everybody needs a glow up every once in a while. So we're going to be doing that today. So if you guys want to see me glow up, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with priming my eyes with the Juvia's Place Magic Concealer in the shade 16. It feels like it's been so long since I filmed a video, and I literally just took only a week off, but it feels like months. I'm going to be using both of these two palettes, which are the Dose of Colors Sassy Sienna and the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries. I think I'm going to go with a berry type look just to match my shirt. So first I'm going to take Sassy Sienna's, and I'm going to take Foxy. The Morphe, it wiped off. Y'all know how much I hate that. I just know it's a Morphe brush. This one is metallic. It wiped off. Okay, and I'm going to put that into the crease still. Then I'm going to take the Morphe M33. I mean, listen, I know you don't have to say Morphe and the M, but I just say Morphe and then I read the brush number, so I always forget. I'm going to take the Morphe 330 brush in that same color and just start blending out the edges. So now I'm going to take Brassy from the Sassy Sienna's palette and put that into my crease to darken this up. I'm going to keep it a buck with y'all. I'll probably add some crystals or something to this look because, you know, if I'm glowing up, I always feel so cute when I put crystals on looks. So I'll probably do that if I'm being honest. I'm gonna take the darkest shade in that Sassy Sienna's palette and put that into my crease. The fourth shade in the Blushing Berries palette, and you guessed it, put that into my crease as well. And I'm going to take this NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the shade CJ05. I'm going to take that on a Morphe M124 brush. And I'm basically just going to tap it kind of in the front half of my eye, but I'm not doing a cut crease. I'm kind of just in a way enhancing where I already didn't put eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner with the Maybelline Long Last. I always say that, the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner in Blackest Black. And I'm going to do the old trick of cleaning up eyeshadow and eyeliner. I'm just going to take the Morphe M124 brush. I'm just going to take some concealer and I'm just basically going to put a line under the eyeliner to sharpen it out. and then drag the concealer down. See, and it gives that very sharp looking eyeshadow, eyeliner, everything. You can use a makeup remover wipe. I'll probably honestly use a makeup remover wipe to remove, actually no, I might leave it, some of the concealer, because the foundation is just going to cover it up. So if you leave it, it's fine. But, and you might want to wipe off your brush sometimes, because by sharpening up the eyeliner, you might get a little bit of eyeliner on the brush, and if you just keep it, then it's going to smudge black. And because I have a makeup remover wipe right here, I'm just going to remove some of that concealer. Usually if I like use concealer first, it's just kind of like as a mark, because sometimes if you use a makeup remover wipe just first, then you kind of don't have that outline. Perfect. So I did my foundation off camera just because like I really hate doing my foundation on camera. I don't know why. So let's do the under eyes. I'm going to take the Sassy Sienna's palette, and I'm going to take the 4th shade in the palette. I'm going to put that under my eye. Okay, now I'm going to take the darkest shade, and I'm just going to put it on the outer half of my eye. Y'all heard them birds? Like, you don't see me trying to film a video. Now I'm gonna add some gems because, you know, like I said, it's my glow up and I want to add gems, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking this pack that I have, and it has a bunch of like the multicolored ones and silver ones, different sizes. And I think I'm gonna take the 3rd size of, like, so smallest to biggest. I'm gonna take the 3rd of the clear ones, not the like multicolored ones. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to put it. I think maybe I'll do like here. And here. Okay, so I have a mascara and my lash glue is drying. The lip combo that we're gonna go for today is obviously, like always, the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Downtown Beauty. I'm gonna line my lips with this, and then I found this in my makeup collection. I honestly think it's one of my sister's, but if y'all watching this, you left it, so I'm about to use it. It's Fenty Beauty. Aren't these called like gloss bombs or something like that? In Fenty Glow. So yeah. Okay. If I look, this is a glow up to me for sure. So I just put the 4th biggest crystal on like the top. I was thinking of putting some on my lashes, but yeah, this is the finished glow up look. I'm obsessed with it. I love the crystals, I love the lashes, I love everything about it. Yeah, this glow up definitely made me feel a little bit better. Not only was it the glow up, it was the me getting back to my regularly scheduled posting schedule and regularly videos and filming and all that good stuff, because I mean, maybe I'll take another week, like not anytime soon, but like obviously mental health comes first. But yeah, it's great to be back. So yeah, I'll do a close-up, but this is the finished look. It was so much fun to do. I always say that. I really missed filming and all that good stuff, honestly. Like, and not that this made me feel 100% better, like I was just kind of having a more not more better a better week anyway, so I was like, okay, let's just get back into the filming and all that good stuff. But doing my makeup and stuff like that makes me feel a little bit more productive. And like I said, this was like, I think I said this a while ago, my filming and YouTube and all that stuff gives me a sense of purpose, so that also is a plus. Yeah, I definitely would recommend adding crystals to any look that you do, because this is my go-to now. I know my last look had crystals in it, the Valentine's Day one, but I'm sorry babes, I think I'm now a crystal babe forever and always. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, or like if I take another little hiatus like I did, you can follow me on all my social medias. All that good stuff is in the description bar. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.